There's a serious problem in the MSP industry. Most MSP websites are faceless, confusing, and they're failing to build trust. And you're probably thinking, Harrison, how does that matter? Why does that even matter? Let me put it this way. You talk to somebody at a networking event, what are they going to do? Their homework on you. They're going to go to your website. You cold call somebody. What are they going to do? They're going to go to your website. You send them an email. You cold email somebody. What are they going to do? They're going to end up on your website. They need to learn more about you. They need to learn more about your business and how you can actually impact them. In this video, I'm going to be going through exactly what you need to do to your website, some quick tips, changes, and I even have a website as an example just to recommend things that I would do a bit differently so you can start winning. How are you doing? My name is Harrison Barron from growth-generators.com. We help MSPs grow by teaching you how to sell your services to make more money for your MSP business, teaching you how to generate an unlimited number of inbound leads, and also fix the lines of communication. If you'd like to learn more, head over to growth-generators.com. We have a ton of information from programs, our MSP Heroes membership, our Launchpad, and all the way to our resources from a Discord with 1,400 plus. It's completely free. Members and counting. We have blog posts, vendor perks just by you being a subscriber on the channel. By the way, hit that like button, subscribe button, notification bell, and our resources area where there are tons of free resources and resources that we think are truly some of the best in the industry, from our top RMM and PSA tools, free battle cards, free sales sheets, free objection handling. And when they say free, they truly are free. We want you to win. If you'd like to learn more, head over to growth-generators.com. So let's talk about the problem. Most MSPs often rely on templates, stock photos, and we're all guilty of this, but there is so much jargon, right? We see it all the time. RMM, PSA, MIMO technology, right? ISP. There's a million things that we understand as MSPs, but here's the spoiler. Your dream customer isn't an MSP. Your dream customer doesn't know what all of those things are. They might know some of them, like an ISP, but they don't know XDR or EDR or endpoint detection. Those are things that just simply confuse people. And the problem is when you confuse people, you end up losing them. If you confuse, you lose. It's been a long time marketing statement for forever. And this is where things get crazy because most MSPs think they're doing the right thing by using the right jargon, which actually ends up adding to more of the problem. It ends up making potential customers trust you less. It doesn't show people that you are a company that they should be buying from. And worst case scenario, you're a faceless company. Remember, in this industry, we hold the keys to the castle. And if we aren't doing the right thing for our customers, how do we expect them to trust us? I can't even tell you how many of you guys are out networking and your beautiful face isn't on the website. It's crazy. So I want to share with you guys I'm going to go over a quick little website here. My goal is not to bash this, but hopefully send this over to the business owner and they could take some notes and implement some of these things so that way they can actually make changes. And I hope that you as the viewer also get some of this out of it so you can fix your website. Now, I found this company, peerlesstech.net. Now, the website overall looks pretty decent, right? We help businesses maximize their value of IT investments. Couple things that I don't see right off the bat. I could see schedule a call, but how do I know that that person on the other side that got to our website is a good fit for us? Now, the more I scroll down here, right, saying, not saying, right, you have some cool things here, but who's actually a good fit for this business? Our pillars of ROI-centric IT, proactive support, reliable technology, expert execution, tailored solutions. I guarantee you, you as an MSP on the other side of this camera is like, my website says all of those things. And yes, while it is important, your dream customer that's landing on your website probably has no idea what any of that actually means. I hate to be the one to say it, but that's the truth. They don't understand. They don't know. It's missing that communication, that human factor when it actually comes to it. It's too confusing. It's not quite dialed in the way it actually should be. Right? Hire us to boost your ROI in IT. Reliable and responsive IT support. That's great. But every MSP has that on their website. Sign up for our email list, find out what you don't and should know about IT. That's great. This website looks like it is trying to cast a massively wide net. It doesn't say who they help or how they actually help them, other than businesses. Well, that's great. What about small businesses? One person computers. What about 3-person computer, or I shouldn't say computer shops, but 3-person small businesses? What if there are 5,000 user business? Is this MSP capable of actually going and helping them? Now, some of the things that I also see in here is we have managed IT. That's great, right? We click on this, why invest in managed IT services, but all of these can easily go in and go through and actually share how they help businesses. IT consulting, we provide expert IT consulting services. I would hope that you provide expert IT consulting services. You're an IT company, right? The word expert should be the most redundant word on this website, because if you're a business that isn't helping people with IT, I would hope that you are an expert in here. IT projects, right? We have another one. Do you need help with an IT project? What kind of IT project? Cost-effective solutions. What about backup? What about helping get me an internet service provider that actually understands what I need help with? Or projects, efficient project management. What project, right? I don't even know what I actually need. And the other thing that I keep seeing all of the time is when you go to the about section, we're missing the human factor, right? How we make IT more valuable, careful planning, skilled execution, attention, support, focused on your mission, personalized tech solutions, reliable IT. These are all great buzzwords. And our story, right? At POS Tech's based in Round Rock, Texas, our mission is to provide who is actually controlling the business, right? That customer is coming into our world. And that's fantastic. That's what we want. They're going to be a new customer, or hopefully become a new customer. Who's taking the keys to the castle? We are one of the only businesses in the world that could delete and just make the whole business basically vanish. In most cases, you're going to be getting into their DNS records, you're getting into their servers, their backups. Us, as the MSP, are truly holding the keys to the castle. It is important. Team photos, founder stories, a picture of the founder. I might not be the best looking person on the planet. Heck, I don't even have hair. But I promise you, my picture is all over my website. One, I'm proud to own the business that I own and help as many MSPs as I help. Two, could you hit that like button, subscribe button, notification bell? Please and thank you. But also maybe a welcome message. The story of how we got there. Yeah, the founder story, but how did the business end up here? What makes the business unique? If you look at every other website out there and it says kind of verbatim or copy paste, by the way, please get rid of the M dashes when you're writing content with AI. Those are the things that truly make the most difference. Nobody wants to hand over the keys to the castle. Hey, basically, here's how I pay for my house, my kids' sports, my kids' college, the cars I drive, the vacations I take. Maybe it helps me buy my overpriced Starbucks in the morning. We are literally able to just wipe it off the face of the earth. So I want to give you some quick wins an MSP can do, especially for something like this. Now, in this case, they have an About Us section. You should have an About Us section. This is a massive amount of trust that people expect to have. And think about it. We know who most of the CEOs are of major companies that we all use. If you use an Apple product, we all know about Tim Cook, right? If you drive a Tesla, I don't care if you like him or you don't like him, you know who Elon Musk is. The list goes, and we know who founded Microsoft, right? We know who these people are, and I'm using the bigger brands, but you probably know who the CEO is of a brand that you love. Do a great About Us section. If you're not sure, get the little plot device or record yourself on Fireflies and word vomit your story. Use AI. Remove the jargon. Put in plain English. ChatGPT and AI can absolutely help you with this. And put in clear calls to action. Now, in this case, if I go back to the homepage here, you can go through and see there is a great call to action here. Schedule a call. But that's it. There's no lead magnet. It's just schedule a call. What if they're not ready, right? We have an entire resources page for when you, right? We're going to exchange information. We're going to give you some amazing resources that took us a ton of time and energy to make. And in return, right, we're going to give you that. And we want a contact information. So that way, at some point down the road, we might be able to do business together. Schedule a call is a great starter. Technology SMS is another great one. But what about checklists, ebooks, white papers? There's so many ways that you, as the MSP, can go out and help other businesses. Clearly define, if you haven't already, go grab. We have our free buyer persona worksheet somewhere floating around here, buyer persona template. It's completely free. You can go grab it. And what I encourage you to do is fill it out. Put down who you would absolutely love to work with. Just by having that and telling ChatGPT who you would love. Now, if you're an MSP Hero member, we have a comprehensive onboarding guide that you can go through and preload for ChatGPT. But if you're not, use that buyer persona and say, hey, this is who I want to target. How do I get in front of more of these people? How do I write the copy on my website so it speaks directly to who I want to do business with? And one of my favorite things is tell the consumer who is and who isn't a good fit. Now, in our case, we have the word MSP plastered everywhere. And the only time you find small business is when it says small businesses drive innovation. We provide the tool strategies, right, to help MSPs help small businesses. But other than that, put in industries. What industries do you like to work in? And you should have pages for all of the services that you provide so you can have the largest impact on your dream customer. So you can increase your monthly recurring revenue, but most importantly, tell the people visiting your website that you're cold calling, that you're networking with, that you're cold emailing, who you love to work with. It makes it so much easier to make more sales, to get in front of more people. And when they feel like they've found a company that actually knows that they can help them, it is such an easier sales process. I promise you. If you'd like to learn more, please subscribe to this channel, hit the like button on this channel. If you are making these mistakes and you want help, feel free to reach out to me. I'm always looking for websites to use as an example. I love you guys. I appreciate you. As always, like, subscribe, notify. If you want to check out MSP Heroes, I appreciate it. There is a video coming for ScaleCon. I have a ton of footage to go through still. I probably need a week or two on that one. I love you guys, as always, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.